Assalamu alaikum. This is an easy tutorial made for you how to create an assignment. For this purpose, you will go to this left bar. Here you are to click here on assignments. So here you can see all your classes. So you are to click any one of them. So I click here on MB3. Next. Here click here on the tag create. So you have other options. So you are to click here on assignment. So here on the upper bar you are to write the title as I do, short questions. Down the title you are to write here the instructions as I am going to do. These are the instructions, a right answer to the short questions. Each question carries 2 marks. Your answer must be around 3 to 5 lines. So here you can add your work. You can add your question paper, add resources. So I'm going to click here. So you are to upload from this device. You are to click here. Here I have assignment. Open. It is going to be attached here. So it is uploaded. So click done. This is your question paper with the tag assignment. If you have other files to attach here, you can do it right here. Here you can add total marks of your question paper. So my assignment carries 4 marks in all. So I have written here 4. So here this is the class I selected previously. You can add other classes here. So your assignment will be sent to all classes simultaneously. So you are to click here. Here are other classes. So I am going to click here. So I have selected all the classes. So here I have 4 classes. This assignment will be sent to all 4 classes simultaneously. So down here, here is the date and here is the time. So today is 3rd of August and tomorrow is 4th of August. So this assignment will due on 4th of August 2020 until 11:59 p.m. Assignment will post immediately with the late turns in allowed. The students who return their assignments later than this time 11:59 p.m. they will be allowed to return their assignments, or either you can click here edit and you can block turns in later than the due time. So here you are to click here close date. Okay, assignment post immediately and is due on Tuesday, August 4 11:59 p.m. Late turns ins is not allowed. So here late turns ins are not allowed. The students who return their assignment later than the due date, they will not be allowed to return their assignments to you. So you can block them here, or if you don't want to block them and you want to receive their assignments even later than the due date, then deselect it. So I want to select it and I want the students to send me their assignments within the due date. So click here on done. Yes. So here you can assign your assignments to the students or save for the later use. So I'm going to assign this work to the students. Okay, here is your assignment. Click here. It's being uploaded with the names of the students of all 4 classes, and here the notification sent to the students. So these are the all students of 4 classes that will receive your assignment. Status not turned in. So no one viewed your assignment and no one returned your assignment. The students who viewed this assignment, here you can see viewed, and who returned their assignments, you can see here. This is the student view. You can see how the students view this assignment. On the upper line, short question, this is the tag of your assignment, and these are the instructions, right answers to the short questions. Each question carries 2 marks. Your answer must be around 3 to 5 lines, and this is your assignment. This is your question paper. Down here the students will add their work. They will write their assignment, make a photo with their camera or with their cell phone, and they can send that photo to you right here. They can add their work with the tag student work. They can also complete this assignment by writing on any one of the Microsoft Office, on Word, on PowerPoint, on a Microsoft Excel, and they can add their work here, which later on you can see and mark them. Here I will show you my other assignments which I have sent to my students. This is my previous assignment. I click here. So this student turned in, and these students only viewed. This student turned in. So you can also add your feedback here. That student turned in. Here is its feedback. You can write here feedback. Okay, you can also do with other students like this. Here you can see the students who viewed this assignment and those who turned their work. So those students who only viewed it, you can see here viewed, and those students who turned their work, you can see here turned in. Just click here. This student didn't attach his work. So I go back and close it. Let's see another one. Turned in. So this student also did not attach his work. So close it. I'm going to see another student. Here is turned in. Yes. This student has attached his work. You can see here, this is the question number 1 and this is the question number 2 with the answers. So you can read the answer and then assign the marks. If for example, I assign this student 100% marks, so you can write here 4 out of 4, and here you can write the feedback. And here you can click here on the word return. When you click here on the word return, this assignment will be returned to the students with your feedback along with the total marks you allotted to the assignment. So I click here on return. Returned. Close here. So this work of the student will be returned to the student with your feedback along with the total marks you assigned to the student. And you can do the same with all other students. So dear colleague, this was an easy tutorial how to make an assignment and return the assignments of the students with the feedback as well as with total marks. Thanks a lot.